Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at roundabouts. A roundabout is an intersection with an island at its centre in which traffic circulates in a clockwise direction. Roundabouts generally result in fewer motor vehicle crashes than intersections that contain traffic lights, stop, or give way signs. Roundabouts not only allow traffic to merge without coming to a complete stop, they tend to flow, or at least that is the intention. Research shows that roundabouts tend to lower the severity of any crashes that might occur by significantly reducing the speed of a collision and by making head-on collisions less likely. The roundabout sign means slow down, prepare to give way, and if necessary, stop to avoid a collision. So it's essential that you get your driver to scan and plan up ahead and identify road signs, signals and markings early to prepare themselves for the roundabout. A vehicle approaching a roundabout must give way to all vehicles already on the roundabout. We can see the truck is on the roundabout, therefore the car X and car Y must give way to it. Some drivers think that they are only required to give way to traffic on their right that is already in the roundabout. This is incorrect. A driver approaching a roundabout must give way to any vehicle, including bicycles, already on the roundabout, as well as any light rail vehicle and/or trams. When approaching a roundabout, you should plan well in advance which exit you wish to take. It is important to be in the correct lane at a multi-lane roundabout. Signs, lane markings, and arrows help you position your vehicle correctly and guide you in the direction you want to go. If the roundabout is marked with solid lines throughout, then maintain your lane throughout the roundabout. Unless traffic lane arrows indicate otherwise, remember these rules. To turn left, use the left lane. To turn right, use the right lane. To go straight ahead, use either lane. Think of a roundabout like a clock face. Any turn that exits before 12 o'clock can be considered a left turn. So you'd indicate left when you're entering the roundabout. Any turn that exits after 12 o'clock can be considered a right turn. So you'd indicate right entering the roundabout. Straight ahead at the roundabout can be considered 12 o'clock. So you wouldn't indicate on entry. Exiting a roundabout. In some cases on a multi-lane roundabout, it may be necessary to change lanes before exiting. In this situation, it is the responsibility of the driver changing lanes to give way to vehicles in the lane the driver is moving to. Judgment at roundabouts. Enter the roundabout when there is a safe gap in the traffic. Here's a common error that drivers make at a roundabout. The orange car driver intends to make a right turn at the roundabout. They've selected the left lane, which is a non-allocated lane, meaning that that left lane is for straight ahead or left turn only. So the driver has committed what would be in a driving test a critical driving error for turning right from a non-allocated lane. They should be in the right lane for that maneuver. So it's essential that drivers apply what is known as the system of vehicle control. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Make a plan. Which lane does the driver need to be in to negotiate the roundabout? 2. Mirror check so that you're surveying around the vehicle to make sure it's all safe. 3. Signal for right turn, left turn and U-turn, not for straight ahead. Speed, slow down and adopt the appropriate positioning. 5. If in a manual vehicle, gear down to an appropriate gear and another little quick scan around to make sure it's all safe. And then 6, giving way to all vehicles on the roundabout. Take evasive action, when clear, move off and accelerate. By correct application of the system of vehicle control, the vehicle will always be in the correct road position, at the correct speed and with the correct gear. So planning and preparation is critical. If we take a look at the diagram on your right, this is an example of how to turn left at a roundabout. It's a standard procedure. Step 1. Position your vehicle in the left lane unless arrows on the road or signs indicate otherwise. Use the left indicator when you enter the roundabout, or on your approach, I'd say about 3 to 5 seconds. Give way to all vehicles already on the roundabout. Remain in the left lane as you complete your turn. Continue to use your left indicator as you exit the roundabout. Stop indicating once you have exited the roundabout. Now let's take a look at a right turn or a U-turn. Position your vehicle in the right lane unless arrows on the road or signs indicate otherwise. Use your right indicator when you enter the roundabout. Again, about 3 to 5 seconds notice. Give way to all vehicles already on the roundabout. Before exiting, use your left indicator and follow the exit lane marking. Stop indicating as soon as you have left the roundabout. And a note, do not turn right from the left lane unless arrows on the road indicate otherwise. Going straight ahead, position your vehicle in either lane unless the arrows on the road or signs indicate otherwise. Do not use your indicator until ready to exit. Give way to all vehicles already on the roundabout. Before exiting, use your left indicator and follow the exit lane marking. Stop indicating once you have exited the roundabout. Trucks and buses. Due to their size, trucks and buses need more room to turn. They often take up more than one lane and may turn right from the left-hand lane. So be wary to look for the do not overtake turning vehicle signage on a heavy vehicle and give them space. I won't go through all of these, but there are penalties for not giving a left signal when exiting a roundabout, and they vary from different states and territories. There are also penalties for a driver who fails to give way as well at a roundabout, and I've just put a few of those up for your perusal for your specific state. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.